I'll show you my new favorite thing. This is called Makgeolli. They've been making this in Korea for a couple of thousand years. It is a rice wine, or really I think more accurately you could call it a beer. It's a little bit fizzy like beer, and it's made from grain like beer.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello from all the way from Korea. My name is Lucas and I'm the Korean Sool sommelier here to introduce to you what Korean Sool is and introduce to you some of the products that we've handpicked that are available in the States at the moment for you to learn and maybe perhaps try later. Okay. So the first instruction, this can be done within 5 days. So normally if you use just noodles, it takes at least about, 30 days to make makgeolli. You need to wait for 30 days because it takes a lot of time for enzymes to break down the carbohydrate. It takes a lot of time to eat up all the sugar.